Yo, what's good everyone? Contractor G in the house. Today I'm gonna be refinishing this office bathroom. I'm gonna get rid of this old tile, get rid of that tub that nobody uses, turn it into a little storage closet, and make this a bathroom for a boss so he can get his business done. Let's go. So you wanna get all this tile off? Best thing to use is a floor scraper, like so. It starts working a little better. Another way to get them off would be to try to use a pry bar and a hammer. But I think the floor scraper does a quicker job of it. Alright, so as I'm demoing out this bathroom, I realized some genius decided to put a whole bunch of concrete underneath the tub here. So I devised a plan of using my car jack with a 2x4 and some backing. This kind of seems dangerous, I don't know. Whoa. Alright, see if we can rip that thing out of here. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Okay, there we go. Pried that tub out of here. Got a pretty bare room. I'm gonna show you it again once it's all done. You don't really want to see me do every little task and put tile on the wall and put the floor in, build that shelving and wall and door. You don't want to see all that, do you? Want like a time lapse of that? Now we got everything ripped out, and this floor was really on level. So what I did is I used some 1x with some shims under it. Brought the whole thing to a 1/2 inch under this tile floor here, so that I can put a 1/2 inch piece of plywood on top of that, and that solves that problem. Just a little tip for you, how to get a floor level. Shims, 1x's. I just throw a piece of 1/2 inch plywood over that. Should be looking good. So there you go. Cut a piece of plywood, throw it over the top. Now you can see this is at the same level as this. And we're gonna go ahead and just continue that flooring right on and over that. First we gotta frame that closet. Let's get that all framed up. Okay, so here we are putting the tile on the wall. Pretty simple. Go and slap the adhesive on, make it nice and even. Don't worry about that hole. It's gonna get covered up. You'll be just fine. Okay, now that you got your adhesive up there, go ahead and take these clips and put those in there. Take your tile, slap that up like so. Get that there. Take some of these little wedges, throw those in. That makes the surface of it flush. Make sure all the spacing is nice and even. Measure the piece you need to cut. It measures 9 3/4. Take off an 1/8 inch. 9 5/8. Alright, so we got 9 5/8. Make a line. Use your square. Make a line. Make a line. Bring that over. Use this grinder with a diamond bit blade. That's your piece. This one goes on the other side so they meet up. This. Clips. Piece. Like a glove. Alright, there you go. Got the walls tiled. For most of them. I guess we gotta do that back wall there, add a door, do some drywall yet. You can see the flooring is in. No, the toilet's not going there. It's just sitting there for a moment. Later on we gotta add the grout. Okay, let's cut those other pieces, put those up, and put that grout in. Give you an update after that. Bathroom complete. Tile grouted, door installed, walls finished, painted, accessories installed. Everything is looking crisp. Got the grab bars in there. Everybody who liked this project, please smash that like button and be sure to subscribe so I can show you more things like this. Make sure to comment. We converted this shower into some little closet area, some simple shelves so I can store everything away. I think they're gonna keep their cleaning supplies and what have you in there. Get you to look from this direction. Alright, so that's it. Office is complete, bathroom's complete. Appreciate everybody checking it out. Smash that like button, subscribe. This is Contractor G. Peace.